Tractor beam has released us, Captain.
Confirmed. Vessel is floating free, no forward momentum.
Viewer ahead. Viewer ahead, sir. Maneuvering thrusters, Mr. Sulu. Ahead 1/3. Thrusters ahead 1/3. Let's take a look. Full sensor scan, Mr. Spock. They can't expect us not to look them over now.
Now that we're looking down their throat.
Right, now that we got them just where they want us. It's closing up. Hold position. Thrusters at station keeping, sir.
Captain. All our scans are being reflected back. Sensors are useless.
Damn. What do you make of all this?
I believe the closed orifice leads to another chamber. Undoubtedly part of the vessel's inner mechanism. I suspect it may be necessary.
Intruder, alert, intruder.
Deck 5, Captain. Officers' quarters.
Have security meet me at deck 5, main elevator.
Intruder,
Spock.
alert.
Mr. Decker, you have the con.
Whatever it is.
Hold position.
White hot. Intruder location. A sonic shower. Temperature at intruder location. Temperature drop rapid now. 60 degrees. 50 degrees. Temperature curve flattening. 45 degrees. 40 degrees. Temperature leveling 39 degrees.
You are the Kirk unit. You will assist me.
Holding at 37.6.
I've been programmed by Beecher to observe and record normal functions of the carbon-based units infesting U.S.S. Enterprise.
Holding at 37.65 degrees.
Jim, what's going on?
Tricorder. Who is V'ger?
Beecher is that which programmed me.
Is V'ger the name of the captain of the alien vessel?
Jim, this is a mechanism.
A probe, Captain. No doubt a sensor-transceiver combination, recording everything we say and do.
Where is Lieutenant Ilia?
That unit no longer functions. I've been given its form to more readily communicate with the carbon-based units infesting Enterprise.
Carbon-based units?
Humans, Ensign Perez. Us.
Why does V'ger travel to the third planet of the solar system directly ahead?
To find the Creator.
Find the Creator? Who's... What does V'ger want with the Creator?
To join with him.
To join with the Creator. How?
Beecher and the Creator will become one.
And who is the Creator?
The Creator is that which created V'ger.
Who is V'ger?
Beecher is that which seeks the Creator. I'm ready to commence my observations.
Doctor, a thorough examination of this probe might provide some insight into those who manufactured it and how to deal with them.
Fine. Let's get her to sickbay.
I'm programmed to observe and record only the normal functioning of the carbon-based units.
The examination is a normal function.
You may proceed.